Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I am in Pennsylvania. We already went to our first stop. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stops. So we went to Edison. We had to pick up a preloaded trailer, which is the one I'm attached to. Right now we're on our way to KABE, which is basically an offsite for an Amazon. It's right next to the airport, so it's pretty easy. We're gonna drop that off, pick up an empty, then we gotta go to HEA2, which is another spot in Pennsylvania, and then from there we're gonna go to Wawa Junction, New York, upstate New York, then Kearney, New Jersey, and then Edison. So 6 stops. It's pretty light, not too hard. And I stopped here because I don't have Celsius, so I was hoping this rest area would have. They just had Monsters, and I'm not really a fan of Monster. Just most of the energy drinks aren't really good for you, but I know Monster has a lot of sugar, a lot, 48 grams of sugar, I believe. So I was like, I don't really like the flavor of Monster like that. They just had the regular one, so nah. We're gonna keep going, and hopefully we can find another rest area where they have Celsius. Cause your boy's trying to wake up, man. I'm not sleepy, but I want that caffeine. I want to feel that. Well, you feel very alert when you have that caffeine. But anyways, today is Sunday. Today is the first day of the month. It's March 1st. And just a recap, I haven't been recording or uploading as much just because, as you guys may know or don't know, in the Northeast we've been having a lot of snowstorms, blizzards, whatever. So that's been cutting my days short, and for most of these storms have been landing on the days that I work, which will be starting on Sunday into Monday. So because of that reason, sometimes I would they would either cancel work for us, or the second day after a snowstorm when I do work and the roads are clear, most of the trailers have a lot of snow on the trailers, so we can't take them. We're not, especially if they don't have the machine where you can drive underneath with the trailer to get it cleaned off, we can't really take it. So that's what dispatch told me, and my supervisor as well. They told us if you see a lot of snow on the top of the trailer, don't take it. So the second day after the blizzard that just passed last week, it was just a bunch of cancels, to be honest. I think I only took one trailer throughout the whole day. The rest, it was just bobtail everywhere, bobtailing in and out. That's pretty much the recap of why I haven't recorded for the past 2 weeks. But nice today. Weather should start getting better now. I've seen the forecast is gonna be in upper 50s, 60s within the next 2 weeks. So spring is around the corner, and it's time to start recording more. All right, we're gonna back it off. We're gonna back it in right here, and then we're gonna pick up an empty here also. But let me just drop this off first. I actually see my empty right here. It's this one to my left. Fix this thing up a little bit. But yeah, we're dropping this off, and then we're gonna pick up this empty that's right next to me, well, 2 trailers over, and then head to this other spot here in PA. I think it's about like 10 minutes, so it's not too far. And then from there, we're gonna go to Rock Tavern. Get as close as possible. All right, that should be good right there. All right, now we're here in our second stop here in PA. I'm about to drop off this empty and pick up a loaded trailer, and then from here we're gonna head over to Wawa Junction. Man, I think I saw Wawa coming here, so on the way back I'm gonna stop into Wawa and pick up a Celsius, because I was getting sleepy. But anyways, if you guys made it this far into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, press the bell's notification button so you guys don't miss any future videos. And with that being said, let's get this video up to 100 likes. I know we could do it. We're almost close to 2,000 subscribers, so I definitely know we could get 100 likes on this video. So make sure you guys like the video and comment down below any questions or anything you guys want to talk about in the comment section. You can comment it down below. And I think should be here. All right, so our loaded trailer isn't ready yet, but we could drop off right here at 625. Back this thing in, then we have to wait here until like around 3:30 because that's the departure time. So we're just gonna have to wait here about like an hour and a half, and hopefully it's ready. If it's not, actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna drop this off and I'm gonna head to that Wawa that I told you guys about, and I'm gonna come back in because I'm already checked in, so they should populate when it's ready. So that's what I'm gonna do, so that way I can get my Celsius. I'll have it in my cooler bag and I'll pop it up once we're on our way to Howboy Junction. So that's what I'm gonna do, so I don't have to wait here. And for the meantime, I'm just gonna drop this off. Like I said, since we had some time, I just pulled up to Wawa. I'm gonna go inside, use the restroom, and buy myself that Celsius because the trailer isn't ready yet. So we're just gonna keep waiting until it's ready. I'll just drive back. It's like 2 minutes away. But look, we got to depart by 3:30. It's 2:44, so 2:45 now. So we'll see if the trailer will be ready by then. I'm gonna go inside. All right, so now we already picked up the loaded trailer and we're on our way to Rock. I think it's Rock Tavern, if I'm not mistaken. But right now we're gonna stop by an Easton, PA. There's a CNG station because I am running a little bit low. So I'm gonna stop by there, grab some fuel, and then after that just keep going on to I think it's Rock Tavern. I'm trying to remember. I don't want to check right now, but or I think it's Rock Tavern, or it gotta be one of them. I don't remember. But we're gonna stop by this, like I said, fuel station, CNG station, to get some fuel, and then after we're gonna keep going over there. And then from Rock Tavern, we gotta go to Kearney, and then Kearney to Edison. So 3 more stops. And I already opened up my Celsius. I got the Playa Vibe, which is pina colada flavor. So I highly recommend it. I always mention it. I always usually grab this when I don't have Celsius at home. I try to get other flavors that I know I will like. Playa Vibe, Cosmic Vibe, a few other ones that I like. This trailer is heavy. But I'm gonna pick it up once I get to the fuel station so I can show you guys how it is to fuel this truck. It's pretty easy, to be honest. It's probably gonna fuel. It takes a while. The one thing I do know when it comes to fueling CNG trucks, it does take a lot longer. I don't know why. I feel like it takes a good 20 minutes just to fuel versus the diesel trucks. They're pretty quick. All right, so we made it here at the Love's CNG station right here. And we're about to basically fuel here. I think it's only 2 stations, so we gotta wait for this guy to finish and leave. We're fueling right now. Hopefully this thing doesn't take too long. Yeah, another truck waiting in the back. All right, we're almost there, so I just remember now. I think we're going to Habwa Junction. That's where we're going to. I don't think it's Rock Terrain. I think it's Habwa Junction. So yeah, we're gonna go there right now. We're probably like maybe 20 minutes away. And then I'm gonna probably take my lunch break there and eat my food. And then head back to Jersey, to Kearney, New Jersey, and then Edison after that. All right, we finally arrived. And if I'm not mistaken, I think we just got a bobtail out from here after we dropped this trailer. Let me just double check. Yep, we got a bobtail out. So we're just gonna drop off this loaded trailer. I'm gonna heat up my food, eat that real quick, and then just check out since it's the bobtail movement. And then we're gonna be heading back to Jersey. And let me see where we're going tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna go back to Jersey, to Kearney, New Jersey, and then Edison. And then for tomorrow, we got Connecticut stops. So we got Carteret, Stratford, Connecticut, Windsor, Connecticut, then Avenel, and then Carteret. So tomorrow's gonna be an easy day going to Connecticut. So that's not bad. I love going to Connecticut. But we're about to pull in right now and get ourselves checked in, see where we gotta drop off, and that's it. We don't gotta pick nothing up. And we got a lot of fuel now since we fueled up to 100%. I think right now so far we have about 71%, which is 500 miles. And yeah, by the time we get to the yard, we should be having like around half a tank. Check in and then see where we gotta drop off. All right, we're gonna drop it right here at 960. But yeah, we're gonna back this in right here to my right, which is 960. Go. Whew. Let's unhook this. Go. We're on our way to Kearney. We're almost there, probably I want to say 12 miles, so about 22 minutes before we arrive. We're just gonna be picking up an empty trailer, and then from there heading over to Edison, and then tomorrow we got Connecticut stops, so not too bad. First day of the work week and first day of the month. Today is March 1st, like I mentioned earlier, and new month. And hopefully everybody has a blessing this month and achieve whatever goals you guys have set for this year. Don't wait. We're already 2 months are already down. We're already finished with January and February, so we got 10 more months to go in this year, and then we're gonna be right back at the end of the year. So you guys, time to grind now. Now is the time. And it's crazy. Time's going by too quick for me, but what can you really do? But anyways, there's gonna be a surprise coming up soon on the channel. You guys are not gonna guys are not ready for what's coming to the channel, but I don't want to spoil it for you guys. This is like the spoiler. So if you guys don't want to miss what I have in store for this channel, make sure you guys subscribe, press the bell's notification button. That way you guys don't miss any future videos, because I'm telling you, the channel is about to change. You guys are about to see a lot of change is gonna happen, so for the better. So I don't want to spoil nothing. I don't want to say nothing. That's just your heads up. That's your spoiler alert, whatever you want to call it. You guys don't want to miss what I got in store in the future for this channel. And if you guys don't want to miss that, make sure you guys tag along and subscribe, so that way you guys can come along with the journey. And we're close to 2,000 subscribers. Like I said, I mentioned a video or two before. If we get to 50,000 subscribers, which I know right now it may seem far-fetched, but if we get to 50,000 subscribers, I will be purchasing my own personal truck for the channel. So I will be having my own truck. I'll go out, record everything, the process of buying a truck, how to become an owner operator, if you will. So if we get this channel to 50,000 subscribers, that's our next goal that we have, aside from the 2,000 subscribers that we're trying to reach, and 10K and then 50K, so on and so forth. But you guys don't want to miss, so make sure you guys subscribe. All right, so the last two stops were basically canceled, I believe. I think I didn't have enough time. So with that being said, if you guys made it to the end of the video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, I got a lot of things cooking up for the channel. I don't want to expose too much. Just make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like the video, and comment down below what you guys think it might be. And yeah, I have my kid in the background, I'm taking care of him, but I'm recording this and I'm about to upload this video. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, press the bell's notification button. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Comment down below what you guys think is gonna be the next, I guess, plans for the channel. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Peace.